Welcome to UK Cold Trade. We're based in Basingstoke, and this 12 by 3 metre working freezer is where we train our engineers in every scenario they're likely to encounter on a job. Technical training and health and safety briefings take place in this classroom setting. We also use this as a demonstration facility for our trade customers and their clients. All tools are boxed and numbered and QR coded prior to each installation. Our insulation panels are all fire approved and come in various shapes and sizes, up to 13 metres long. We make our own sliding and unhinged aluminium frame doors. Building bespoke is no problem at all. A pharmaceutical client of one of our trade customers has allowed us in to film their installation. As you can see, our customer was happy for us on this occasion to wear our own branding on their job, but we're happy to wear your branded clothing if required. As you can see, the guys have all the tools and fittings prepared, ready to go before they arrive. The customer's laboratory has a slightly awkward space left over for the cold room. This doesn't pose a problem though, as we can maximise this space by building the cold room completely bespoke. While some materials are pre-cut, others are fabricated on site. Usually we cut apertures and trims for windows at our factory prior to installation. However, this customer made a late request for us to make a change, which as you can see wasn't a problem at all. We use high quality hinges for our doors and always install solid aluminium frames.